In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Schoolgirl Puzzle quilt block. The Schoolgirls Puzzle quilt block is believed to have originated in the late 19th century and was a firm favourite back in those times. It's a beautiful block to make. It's made with squares and half square triangles and it's just perfect for the beginner quilter. So let's get quilting. For this quilt block, we're going to need the following. So we need 6 of the white in the 4-inch unfinished. And then these larger ones are 4 7/8. If you don't want to cut the 7/8, then you can just cut 5 and trim off the excess. So we need 5 of the orange squares, 2 of the teal or blue squares, and 3 of the gold. We're now going to make up the following half square triangles. So we're going to make up 2 of the orange and teal, which will give us 4 half square triangles, and 3 of the orange and gold, and that will give us 6 half square triangles. And if you need a refresher, here is how I make my half square triangles. So on the back of the pattern that you've downloaded, you've got the diagram here. Also, the top right hand corner, have a click on the link that I've popped there on the video on how to make the half square triangles. So I'm going to go and prep those, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like laid out. So I've followed the diagram on the pattern, and I like to use this diagram here. So I've laid those out. I'm making sure that my half square triangles are facing the correct way. And now I'm going to take this over to the sewing machine, and I'm going to make the rows first, and then I'll bring it back and show you what it looks like. I've sewn all the rows together now. They've just come together so quickly. I've double checked that I've got everything facing in the right direction. And now I'm going to go back to the sewing machine and sew these rows together. Ta-da! Here is our finished block. This is a great block to create a geometric pattern with. And if you turn the pattern over, or the back page of your pattern, then you'll see that we've done a mock-up here, so you can visualize what this block looks like if you do, say, 9 blocks and put them all together as a quilt. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please press the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter at www.ropeandanchortradingco.com.